Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I dye my hair at home. And as you can see, my hair is blonde, so I want to dye my hair into black. So I'll take you step by step. I'll show you how I do it. Yeah, I'm getting ready to go black. A moment of silence. Yeah, so I've been having my short hair for the past 1.5 years. I used to have a very long hair, but sometime last year, I think early last year, I decided to cut it off just to try a new style, and I've been loving it. I've been having it, yeah, let's say 1.5 years. So I've always been blonde, but today I've decided to do it black so that I can see how I look like. I hope it won't let me down. Yeah, so as you can see, the black hair has regrown, ishamea, so I won't have a tough time dyeing the blonde one. Yeah, I think the last time I put this blonde was almost 2 months ago. Yeah, so that's why naona imemea hivi. I don't know whether you can see. Yeah, so it will be easier for me. So come with me as I take you step by step on how to do it at home. So all I need, I'll be using this one. It's called black hair shampoo. It's the easiest. And then I'll need a brush and a bowl for me to mix. Yeah, I'll also need scissors, and also I'll need the gloves. I'll also need the gloves. Yeah, there too. This comes in handy because I don't want to spoil my nails. It works perfectly. I also need this one. Yeah, this one is for protecting my clothes. Yeah, I'll put it on like that. So what I'll do, because my hair looks too much, I'll be using 2 sachets. So all you need to do is massage it a little bit just to mix before you open. Yeah, you massage it like that. And then I cut. I'll go ahead and squeeze. As you can see, it's black and white. Just squeeze it all. Like this. Then you take your brush. Now you mix nicely. can see, guys. So guys, I'll go ahead and take my brush and start applying. I don't have a mirror with me, so I'm using the phone. But I think I'll scoop using my hands. I think it's the easiest, just like this. And guys, make sure when you're applying the dye, make sure your hair is clean and dry. Yeah. For easier penetration, it has to be clean and dry so that you can get best results. Make sure you massage gently. So guys, I'm done. I'll give it like 15 minutes and then I'll wash it out, and then I'll be back after a few minutes. See you then guys. See you in a few. So I'm back, guys. I've washed the dye off and it came out so perfect, as you can see. And I just oiled it using this. So that's all for today. And also make sure you read instructions. If you happen to use the same dye I've used, make sure you read the instructions before using it. So thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.